Hello friends, what's up? Hope you guys are good. So today I'm going to show you how to design a custom packaging design. That is a design that is going to be used for a packaging of a certain product. So before we dive in, ensure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative content. So right here I have my Photoshop open on my screen. So I am creating a new project, so click on create new, then let's go to print, then let's just use an A6 RGB white background. This is okay. Change that to pixels and create. So yeah, right here this is now our artboard and we are going to design our design right here. So you guys, you know it as always, first things first, that is the background. So actually we're going to design a packaging design for moringa powder, something like that. So let's dive in. Let's start creating our background. So my rectangle tool, click and drag. I need a shade of green, so click there, then locate come to window, I'm looking for my shades. I don't know where my shades panel is. Anyway, in the meantime, let's just use a gradient. So let's use green. We need a green gradient. Yeah, something like that will work for me pretty nice. Then the next thing, I want to bring in a pattern. So I have some assets that I have prepared. So let's just import, place embedded, locate my folder, my packaging folder. Yeah, I need this pattern. So just double click to import. Let's give it some time so that it loads. Boom, there is my pattern. Check. So let's scale it so that it fits our artboard. Something like that. Then as always, we will blend it with our background. So right here, get a nice blend. I think I love linear burn. Yeah, linear burn is okay for me. So you can just check one that works nice for you. So for this pattern, this is a PNG pattern. It's transparent. So in case you need something similar, just go to pngegg.com, then just search for pattern. Then you'll get several patterns there, then you'll be able to download it and use it for free. So the next thing, want to create another rectangle here, the center. Then I want to give that white. Then go to my pen tool. Shortcut to your pen tool is letter P on your keyboard. I want to create a node right here, so let me zoom in here. Then back to my direct selection. The direct selection, the shortcut is letter A on your keyboard. So something went wrong. yeah, I need to add a node here using the pen tool. Ensure you had the rectangle selected, then now you can add a node. Then back to your direct selection, I'm using letter A on my keyboard. Click on that, drag it down. Yeah, I need something that looks like that. Then back to my move tool. I'm holding my shift, then trying to position that and scale it to fit my design. So yeah, this process we are still doing our background. So I want to duplicate this rectangle, so Ctrl J on your keyboard. So I have this copy on top. So I want to remove the fill right here to 0. Then I want to give it a stroke. So where's my stroke panel? If it's not there, just come to effect, then stroke. Then yeah, as you can see, it has already applied, but it's too thick, so just reduce the stroke. Yeah, something like 6 will do for me. Check. But I don't like the maroon. Okay, just scale it down. Hold Alt to scale it down like that. I don't like the color, so I'll go back to my style panel, double click on the layer. So right here on my stroke, click on the stroke, then I need to change this color. I need something that looks dark. Yeah, something like that. Okay, yeah. And the next thing, I need to create a certain shape here below, where I'm going now to bring in the images of the moringa, the product that is we are trying to create the packaging for. So let me just get my rectangle tool right here, click and drag. The best thing is I would like to mask the design inside here. So let's see how we can go about that. So to my pen tool, as you can see, there is that plus icon that is appearing, so you can just click and drag. Then now to my direct selection, I'm using my shortcuts, letter A on my keyboard. Then now you can click and drag this. Then you can use these handles as much as you want them to. Then just create a nice design that you feel is going to fit your packaging. So for me, I need something like this. Yep. Yeah, I think that is cool. So allow me to bring in my image. So place embedded. Yeah, I have this image of moringa right here, and I need it somewhere right there. Let me check. Yeah, I think it's appearing nice. I think I love it. Let me duplicate this rectangle. So Ctrl J on my keyboard. The copy, I'll take it below this original one. Then I'm going to give it this black, the color that we had created. Then now I'm going to scale it up, something like that, so that now I get the black stroke right there. Yeah, our moringa is right here, guys. So this is a packaging design. You can look for maybe as somebody who's selling custom products. Talk to them if you're a designer. Ask them, can I do you a nice packaging design? Then you can design for them a packaging. Then get a printer around your local areas to print print those packagings for you, and that will be really a good business you can venture. So let me convert that into a layer. I want to flip it because I've just duplicated, so that these are two. I have this one and this one right here. So I want to select all of them and drag them somewhere there. Yep. I don't like the white here on the background. I don't know which color we can go with. And I don't know, maybe in the meantime we can get a color that will blend nice with our design. I think that shade of white I think might do. In the meantime, then the next thing now, you'll bring the brand logo. So in the before even I bring in the logo, let's get let's just type like this is Moringa now, you know, the name. So my type tool, then you can just type Moringa. As you can see, I like it to have the same gradient we used for our background here. This gradient, Moringa. Alt click and drag to duplicate that, double click to edit. So I'm using Impact as my font here. So this is Moringa powder. So now I'm going to scale this down. Scale it down. I feel the color is a bit too shouting. I would like the gradient, but I don't like it on my screen. I don't know why. So the best thing is on my swatches I can get a light color. That's not a gradient, that is. Oh, what's not happening? Oh, it had some effect, so sorry about that. I need something light, something like that. Yes, it also has some overlay, the gradient overlay that has added there. So then locate my rectangle. I want to make, actually not a rectangle but a rounded rectangle. Then you can zoom in, then just click and drag, make a small thing there, just to spice things up, you know. As a designer, you just have to spice things up. So alt click and drag to duplicate that. Then you can hold shift so that it remains in position. So now we have that Moringa powder. I still feel the colors are a bit not matching with my design. I think something like that is better off. I'm back to this maroon color that I feel like also this stroke should have that same maroon. So double click on that layer, locate the stroke, change this, click on that color. Okay. So I think looks nice that way. Now let me get my ellipse, and right on top here I want to create such a shape. Then right inside there you bring the brand logo, that you can just position it somewhere. So scale it up a little bit. So inside this ellipse I would place the brand logo, that is for this packaging. So I want to duplicate this, so Ctrl J on my keyboard. I want to give it I want to do away with the fill. I just want to repeat the same process like what I did on this one. Then double click the copied, then locate my stroke, check it. I think it's already, then check OK. Then now I want to scale it up while holding your Alt. Yeah, just hold your Alt so that you get something that scales in position. Yes. Then allow me to get another asset right here on my browser. Yeah guys, so this is the design that I was getting from the internet. You can just check it on PNG egg and just search for organic. You'll get this design. So as you can see, it's a nice design that is trying to bring in the aspect that whatever this product is 100% organic, you know. Now I had my moringa leaves somewhere. Let me bring them in. These moringa leaves. Oh, then scale them down, and I just want to blend them somewhere here. So I want to take it immediately on top of my moringa text right here. Then now hold Alt and click. As you can see, it has been masked inside. It's inside this text. Then now you can scale it up. Yeah, moringa. Yeah, I like it that way. Then I'm going to duplicate again the moringa leaves, Ctrl J, so that now I have this one. Then now this, I'm going to use it somewhere here. Zoom in and scale it down a little bit. Yes. Yeah, something like that. Yes, you can see guys, our design looks nice. So Alt click and drag. I want to use this text somewhere here. So double click to edit. Then just typing the weight, the net weight. So yeah, the net weight of this product is 500 grams. And I need it 100% black. Now we can zoom out and see how our design looks like. Position this at the center. And I feel I should give it a stroke, a white stroke. So let me just double click. then stroke, and it shouldn't be black, should be white. I don't know why I'm not getting my preview. Let me try to increase the stroke size. Something is up. I'm on which? Oh, my strokes here, my effect is off, so I'll return that to 6. Okay, then check here. Yeah, something was up. Do away with the gradient. Then now double click again. Now on my stroke, it's supposed to be outside. Yes, yeah, that's what I want. Okay. Yeah, the net weight is 500 grams. Moringa powder, 100% organic. Guys, I love the design. Looks nice. And now, I create another rectangle. I'll do away with the fill to none. We can do a stroke of which color? Let me do white. And a stroke size 6 pixels. And now I just want to create a border around our product. Now, as you can see, it is appearing nice white on top, but now when it reaches somewhere here, there's a way it's not that visible. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate the rectangle that we have just created. So let me check it on my layers. Should be this one. So duplicate it, Ctrl J, so I have it in position. Then I will change the stroke color. So change the stroke color to a green color. So as you can see, the green is overlapping the white, so I'm going to give an opacity, a gradient opacity on the one that is on top, the green one, as from here. So just add a layer mask on that. Then on your gradient tool, use the basic right here, basic, this one, black to transparent. Then ensure the foreground color is black. Then now you can hold shift, click and drag. Oh, it's the other way around, so click and drag. As you can see, my white is appearing and my green also is appearing. There's that change of the two colors, guys. So yeah, another thing, I need a rounded rectangle. One more somewhere here. Right there. Then yeah, give it a feel of maroon. Do away with the stroke. Then now duplicate my text, alt click and drag. I want to place this text on top of that. So as obvious, I should take this on top of the rectangle. So place it there. Then double click to edit. Then I'm going to type premium quality. Then the font is too big, so zoom in and let's scale that down. I don't want the stroke, so just come to your properties and where is my stroke? Not there. So let me just uncheck it on the right here. Yes, on the effects. Then now the color should be white. Premium quality. Then just position it. I'm using my arrow keys on my keyboard. Then I want to increase the letter spacing. So on my properties, right here, you can just click and drag, something like that. And now still use my arrows and position it at the center. Yes, guys, I like it. Looks nice. And yeah, I think our Moringa design is up and ready for printing. So I'm going to save it, but let me export the entire design. I'm trying to there's one thing more I want to show you, a way where you can just create a nice mock-up for your client. So inside my Moringa folder, I'm going to save this as package 1. So now I have that, so I will create a new artboard. Any size is okay. I'm using 640 by 640. Clicking on my rectangle, I just want to fill this background with any color. Yeah, something like that. Then now I have a package that I had. Let me see if I can locate it. I had downloaded from PNG Egg, this package. Yeah. So now we want to bring our design on top of this package so that it looks real, you know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select on this layer. First, let's bring our design as an image. So place embedded. Here is our design. Yeah. So you can just try to scale it and see it is fitting on the design. It is fitting that is on the package. Yeah, something like that. Then you can just position it properly. Click OK. Then now you can just uncheck it. Then now click on this the layer with the package, and now use your quick selection and try and select this package. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, so you can see I've selected the package. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in my design on top. Then I'm going to mask. What did I do? I was supposed to click on this or something. Let me undo that. Then mask. Did it mask? Yes, it did. It did mask. So now let's try and blend. Now come here and give it a blend. I feel something didn't go well. So let me undo that, because as you can see, our packaging is not fully covering the package. So let me transform that. Control T. Okay, I have to do away with the selection. Then now I can zoom this. It's supposed to overlap the entire package. Yes, like that. Then now the next thing, now click on this. Now let's toggle the visibility. Then locate your quick selection. You can use your object select, click and drag above the object. Yeah, and as you can see, it has selected but not all the areas, so you can just go back to your quick selection and now try to bring in the areas that have not been selected. Yeah, now we have everything selected. Now back to your move tool. Then now check this. Then now you can now mask. Yes, as you can see now it's masked inside the package. And the next thing now is to blend our design with yeah, I think multiply is okay. Now as you can see, now let's now combine these two into one layer. So select all the two layers, Control E on your keyboard. So now you can be able to scale them down and up and just do whatever you want to do with them. Yeah, so you can see now we have our package looking nice, pretty. I love it. Yeah, as you can see, the package looks nice. I love it. Can duplicate it, Control J, scale the new design down, position it. Guys, this package design looks nice. Yeah, give it a drop shadow. As you can see, there's that shadow appearing below there. Yeah, okay. I can copy this style, copy layer style, then paste on this. Oh, what happened, guys? Right click, copy layer style, click on this one, right click, paste layer style. Yes, so that we have that shadow below there. So yeah, you can just spice up this design before you send it to your client. I want to create an ellipse here, ellipse, then no fill. Yes, there's a stroke, then just want to draw funny ellipse here. Then now I should take it below these two products, yeah, so that I have this, yeah, something like that. And yeah, this is ready. You can send it to your client, and I'm assuring you 100% this is gonna be the next. Your client cannot resist this design. This design looks nice, pretty, direct to the point, you know. So that's it, guys, for today. So ensure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative content. Share this content with others. Comment on the comment section, tell me what you want me to design next, and we're gonna do it. So that's it for today, guys. Boom.
You're strong.